We are pleased you have chosen to visit our channel, where we explore the exciting world of kidney nourishment and wellness. Did you know that kidney diseases impact millions of people throughout the globe? The shocking death rate highlights how important it is to raise awareness and take preventative measures immediately. Learn how to take care of your kidneys with the help of natural remedies. In this video, we will discuss the best fruits for kidney health, inflammation, and oxidative stress. Join me on an adventure to improve your health and energy levels while I share mouth-watering dishes and professional advice. Stay tuned to find out important information and give yourself the ability to protect your kidneys. This is the beginning of your health journey, so don't miss it. At the top of our list, we have avocados, a superfruit crucial for kidney health. Avocados, nature's creamy delight packed with a wealth of benefits for kidney health. Brimming with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, avocados support optimal kidney function by maintaining electrolyte balance and reducing inflammation. Additionally, their generous potassium content aids in regulating blood pressure, crucial for kidney health. Avocados are also rich in fiber, promoting digestive health and easing the workload on your kidneys. Furthermore, the antioxidants present in avocados, such as lutein and zeaxanthin, help protect against oxidative stress, safeguarding kidney cells from damage. Incorporating avocados into your diet is a breeze. Whether mashed into guacamole, spread on toast, or sliced onto salads, avocados add a creamy texture and a nutritious boost to any meal. Remember, moderation is key, especially for individuals with kidney issues, due to their potassium content. So savor the velvety goodness of avocados as part of your kidney-friendly eating plan, and let their nourishing properties support your kidney health journey. But wait, there's more. Stay tuned as I unveil additional kidney-friendly fruits and a detox juice recipe featuring our top picks. Moving on to our next contender at number 2, we have oranges, vibrant citrus fruits bursting with essential nutrients to bolster kidney health. Packed with potent antioxidants like vitamin C, oranges combat oxidative stress, shielding our cells from damage and inflammation, an imperative defense against kidney issues. Additionally, oranges boast a rich reservoir of fiber, supporting digestive health and aiding in blood sugar and cholesterol management, key factors in reducing strain on our kidneys. Starting your day with the refreshing zest of oranges is a delightful way to kickstart your kidney-friendly routine. Whether enjoyed sliced as a morning snack, juiced for a refreshing beverage, or incorporated into recipes, such as salads or smoothies, oranges offer a tangy sweet burst of flavor and a bounty of nutrients to support your renal wellness journey. So, embrace the vibrant allure of oranges and let their nutritious goodness fortify your kidneys with each juicy bite. Number 3 in our list is the mighty apple. This simple fruit does more than keep doctors away. It's a true helper to your kidneys. Packed with fiber, apples lighten the workload on your kidneys by aiding waste elimination. What sets them apart is their secret products. Pectin, a fiber type that champions in lowering cholesterol. Maintaining optimal cholesterol levels is important for kidney health, keeping potential issues away. Apples, with their low potassium content, also boast anti-inflammatory properties, a key ally against kidney troubles. Also, they have a low glycemic index, making them a diabetic-friendly delight. Incorporating apples into your breakfast is simply slice into oatmeal, yogurt, or blend them into a refreshing smoothie. Number 4. Strawberries aren't just delicious, they're packed with kidney benefits. Rich in antioxidants like polyphenols and vitamin C, they shield your kidneys from oxidative stress. Also, strawberries promote urine production, aiding kidney cleansing. Vitamin C in strawberries also boosts collagen production, enhancing kidney structure and function. Their ellagic acid content offers potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, safeguarding kidneys from inflammation and other issues. Adding strawberries to your diet is a smart move for kidney health. Number 5. Blueberries, a superfood, are incredibly beneficial for your kidneys and natural body cleansing. Packed with antioxidants like anthocyanins, they combat oxidative stress and inflammation, safeguarding your kidneys. Anthocyanins also regulate blood pressure, crucial for kidney health. Blueberries' flavonoids fight inflammation, easing kidney strain. They prevent urinary tract infections by deterring bacteria adhesion. Low oxalate content reduces the risk of kidney stones. Additionally, blueberries may aid in managing blood sugar levels, especially beneficial for diabetics. Adding blueberries to your diet isn't just delicious, but also a smart move for kidney support. Number 6. Pomegranates, a superfood, are not only delicious but also packed with kidney-cleansing nutrients. Their ruby red seeds and sweet juice offer numerous benefits. High in antioxidants like quinicollagen, they combat harmful free radicals, protecting kidneys from oxidative stress. Polyphenols in pomegranates reduce inflammation, aiding kidney function. They also promote healthy blood flow, vital for efficient waste filtration. Adding pomegranates to your diet not only adds flavor but also supports kidney health. Number 7. Eating cherries is a fantastic way to support kidney health, acting as natural cleansers that swiftly remove toxins and waste. Loaded with antioxidants such as anthocyanins and flavonoids, cherries shield your kidneys from free radical damage. These antioxidants also keep in control anti-inflammatory effects, reducing swelling and lightening your kidneys' workload, enhancing their efficiency. The potassium content in cherries plays a crucial role in maintaining the right balance of fluids, electrolytes, and blood pressure, essential factors for optimal kidney function. Recent research, including a 2012 study in arthritis and rheumatism, highlights cherries' ability to lower uric acid levels in the body. This is significant as high uric acid levels can contribute to kidney stones and worsen conditions like gout. Furthermore, evidence suggests that the anthocyanins in cherries may offer protection against chronic kidney disease, underscoring the immense benefits cherries bring to kidney health. Incorporating cherries into your diet isn't just tasty, it's a smart and delicious choice for nurturing your kidneys. Number 8. Pineapples, with their juicy sweetness and vibrant yellow color, are excellent for kidney cleansing. They contain bromelain, an enzyme renowned for its potent anti-inflammatory properties, reducing kidney swelling and promoting health. Packed with vitamin C, pineapples shield your kidneys from oxidative stress while boosting your immune system. Their high water content aids toxin flushing, keeping your kidneys well hydrated and functioning smoothly. Additionally, pineapples provide manganese, vital for kidney health, and fiber, promoting digestive efficiency. Despite containing potassium, pineapples are safe for those monitoring potassium intake due to kidney issues. Incorporating pineapples is a wise choice for supporting and cleansing your kidneys. Number 9. Papaya. Papaya isn't just tasty, it's a health powerhouse, especially for kidneys. Packed with papain, it fights inflammation effectively. Beyond papain, papaya is rich in vital nutrients like vitamin C, A, folate, and fiber. Vitamins A and C act as antioxidants, protecting kidneys from cell damage. Folate aids kidney health by producing glutathione, a potent antioxidant, and breaking down harmful homocysteine levels. Adding papaya to your daily diet not only satisfies your taste buds, but also boosts your body's defense against heart disease and kidney issues. It's a delicious way to support overall health, including kidney wellness. Number 10. Grapes. Grapes, available in red, green, or black, are excellent for your kidneys and body cleansing. They're packed with water, vital for kidney function and waste removal. Grapes contain powerful antioxidants like flavonoids and resveratrol, reducing inflammation and shielding your kidneys from harm. With their potassium content, grapes promote urine production, aiding in detoxification. Plus, they help regulate blood pressure thanks to potassium and polyphenols, while low oxalate levels reduce the risk of kidney stones. Research shows that grape antioxidants protect kidneys, ensuring urinary tract health. Whether fresh, dried, or in juice form, grapes are a delicious and kidney-friendly choice. Nature provides an array of flavorful choices for kidney health, each packed with essential nutrients. Remember the golden rule: moderation is key. It's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before significant dietary changes, especially for those with specific health conditions. Now, let's create that detox juice, a kidney cleansing elixir. Take and slice an apple, grab a handful of juicy blueberries, and extract the seeds from half a pomegranate for vibrant color. Add a slice of watermelon for extra hydration, and don't forget the ginger, great for reducing inflammation. Choose between water or coconut water for the perfect consistency. Coconut water adds a tropical twist. Blend all ingredients until smooth, adjusting consistency with more water or coconut water if needed. Pour into your favorite glass, garnish with pomegranate seeds or a mint leaf, and enjoy. This elixir not only tastes divine, but also combines the detoxifying benefits of our top 3 fruits for a kidney-boosting treat.